Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the JASMY video update today, and my technical target has been met. Click on the top right of your video to enter Discord for free, and here we are. Okay, 716 is a technical target that I've given you maybe 2-3 weeks ago, and today finally we've actually been up right to that technical target. So we're talking about maybe a 34% move to the upside, and you pretty much came to 0.07. I've talked about this for a long time if you've been watching the video, and that's finally in there. So another successful move in our journey with JASMY, I guess. And if you're new, if you're watching this channel right now, just try to subscribe to us and follow the videos and the daily updates at the moment. So JASMY, I've given you even this one little bit of a trend line here, so you can see that he started moving up, came down, moved up like this, came down, moved up, a break to the upside. I'm pretty sure you, after you met the target, you haven't really retested anything, so all you did is shoot up to the technical target. Now you're coming down to probably just backtest 0.0632. now this is also not bad. You may just come a little bit like this, spend some time here, and finally come up again and continue to the supply zone, which is at 0.0766, right? And what I want to say is, another thing that I'm looking at is on the daily, and I saw a particular pattern here on the daily. So what I'm going to do is probably just remove some of the drawings right there and right over here. I think the new stop for JASMY now comes down all the way to, I think it's going to be right over here at 0.06, right? That's fair, round off number, 0.06. So if you do come down to 0.06, that's going to be one bit of an issue. So we have a sideways consolidation and a break above called as bullish rectangle. Do you see that? So it's almost like a pennant or a rectangle that you've broken above, and the technical target for this goes from there to there, and this has a technical target to move all the way up to nearly 0.08, and that's the next big resistance. Okay, so this target is met. I still expect another move up to 0.08, honestly, as long as you're not coming down to this price of 0.06. so if you do end up retesting this pennant, right, because I do believe that right now you've broken above and you're just looking for a retest here, and probably you're going to shoot up to the supply zone. The supply, when I zoom out, is the biggest area that you have to keep in mind, that has been the biggest resistance and the biggest issue to break above. So if JASMY somehow manages to break the supply, this is going to turn into demand, and you are going to have your next technical target all the way up to 0.013 almost. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.